All right, you guys, you see the thumbnail. We're about to get down on a honey mustard glazed ham, you guys. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, so you've seen in the thumbnail what's going on. You already see we're about to get down on, and you see all the ingredients. So let's get into them, so I'm not going to be wasting your time. All right, you guys, so what we're going to do is have about 1.5 tablespoons of mustard, because we're going to be hooking up honey mustard glazed slurry we're going to put over and incorporate into this spiral ham. So this is considered spiral ham, you guys. So get about 8 or 9 pound, ham. This is a pretty nice size ham. And also too, what you want to do is have about half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Also too, you want to have half a cup of brown sugar, as well as 1.5 tablespoons, sorry about that, of honey, and 2 tablespoons of something special, you guys. We're gonna have some spiced rum. So we'll show you how I'm gonna incorporate that into this ingredient. But let's go ahead and mix this mixture up. Right now, I already have, let's put the ham aside. All right, you guys, I already have the honey and the mustard together. So we're gonna mix all these ingredients together. So get your little bowl. Mix it in thoroughly. I also too forgot, about 1.5 cups of, a half a cup of pineapple juice. That's one thing that wasn't on the list. Don't forget to add that in. All right, you guys, so just mix it in pretty good. So next we're gonna add everything into your measure cup or a bigger bowl. Add your brown sugar. Smash it up. Make sure it's fully mixed in with all the ingredients, you guys. See how it's coming out? That's how it should look. If you're following closely, mix in everything smoothly. Add in your spices, which is your nutmeg and your cinnamon. Mix it in. Smells good. All right. And last but not least, you want to add some spice rum. So we're going to do some spicy ham. So add in your spice rum. Now, if you're interested in knowing what kind of spice rum, this is the Oak Heart spice rum from Bacardi, you guys. You want to try it out, but you can use any spice rum. You can just use a regular rum, but spice rum has always a little kick to it, so that's what I do like about it. So let me finish mixing this up, and we're gonna be, adding it onto the ham. All right, you guys. So what we're gonna do is incorporate, this glaze into the ham. What you want to do is first mop it up. Just mop it all around it. Make sure you coat it up before we enter it into the ham. Make sure you get it everywhere and all over. What they say, get it in the nooks and crannies. So we're gonna get to that next, you guys. In the front of it, I'm gonna make sure you baste it. You really don't necessarily have to do this because we're gonna have it face down when we're cooking. All right, you guys, so what I'm gonna do is pour it in. And then make sure you put it all in between. That's how you get the sweetness of it all the way through and through. All right, you guys. What I'm gonna do is face it down. And if there's some areas that you didn't get a little bit of glaze, just mop it on. And what we're gonna do is set your oven on 350 degrees. I'm gonna wrap this up with some foil. Let it stand for a good probably 20-30 minutes and take it out, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing with these little guys. All right, see you then. All right, so we took out the ham. It was no more than about 30 minutes, you know what I'm saying? What I did was I, put it upright. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna glaze on the rest of them and use these cute little things, which are pineapples. If you don't like pineapples or you got allergies, you don't have to use them or do them. But in my ham, I do them. So, have some skewers or something to hold them in place. Also too, a crowd pleaser, and also too, nice decorations and stuff like that. So just stick them on there. And what I did was, like I said, I set them upright, so we could get ready to put the pineapples on. Now, not everybody, like I said, is a pineapple fan, which is understandable. But if you notice, on the most times when you see somebody cooking a ham, they always, what they got to do with ham, they have pineapples on it. So I wanted to put some pineapples on it. I have a friend of mine, he does it all the time, but he put cloves. There would not be cloves in this. One thing about cloves, I don't like, there may be aromatics, but it just, that's about it. It don't really do nothing to it for me. But I'm gonna put it on the rest of the glaze. And we're gonna baste as we go. So right now we're gonna set it up. I'm gonna put one more pineapple on the back for, little cuteness. Yes, bros, I did say that. That's for the ladies, not for y'all. Just gonna let y'all know that. So okay, so everything is pretty much done. What I'm gonna do is wipe a couple of the glaze on the pineapples. You want some cinnamon. If you've ever been to a Brazilian steakhouse, they always have those wonderful cinnamon pineapples. And it's hot after you're done. This is one way to do it, you guys. Gonna have that little Brazilian flair. But let me know if you've been to a Brazilian steakhouse. They're really nice. I've been to a few of them. Fogo de Chao is one of the famous ones I've been to. I've been to one here in Houston. For those that don't know, I am in Houston. I am from Los Angeles, so just letting you guys know. And we're gonna be basting as we go. Gotta leave a little bit towards the end, you guys. All right, so we're gonna be putting this back in the oven on about 350 degrees, and keep checking it because this is how you get the caramelization. And then, when so you don't want to burn it, so keep an eye out on it. So look at it around, well, put it on about 400 degrees. You know what I'm saying? Because I want you guys, to be safe with your ham. Y'all got to do, you guys definitely got to serve this up to your family. You don't want to go buy another one, so check it. But let me put it in there, and I'm gonna check on it, and I'm gonna be basting it off and on throughout the time. All right, you guys. So I just took it out, and you see how it's already looking good. What we're gonna do is, this is gonna be the last time we're gonna be basting it, you guys. So don't forget to baste those, pineapples. If put it like this, if you kept your pineapples in here too long, you're gonna have shriveled up pineapples. So don't leave it in there too long. That's a big tip, you guys. So make sure you add that in. It's already, you can see it's caramelizing already. So it's coming to its end, and we're gonna be, you guys, getting ready to finish this ham up, you guys. Your group is gonna like it. All right, so let me put it back in the oven and finish it up. So it's finished and done. I'm just gonna baste it one last time. Pour it over a little. And this is all the juice that was at the bottom of the pan. So just spread it all over. And I'm gonna actually probably use this to baste on it when I'm done. Like, for guests that wanna have a piece of it. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful, honey glazed ham. It was that honey mustard glazed ham, you guys. And let me know if you tried this before, if you had any other recipes that you would like me to try out. But you guys, I'm your Chef KC, and thanks for coming through, and I will have more of these videos coming to you very soon, you guys. I will see you guys in the next one.